Very good evening to everyone. Today we will discuss about importance of indigenous traditional knowledge. So you can observe here different photographs. In first photograph, forest. Second photograph, forest product, flower of mahua. Third photograph, also a forest or rural tribal product. In next photograph, you can observe livelihood. Then in figure 5, you can observe the cultural. Then next in figure 6, you can observe the health problems and 7, you can observe the threat. So everything you can observe here. We need a healthy forest. From forest, we get food, medicine, and they are associated with our culture. So we have to reduce the threat. We have to conserve the forest because forest is a source of indigenous traditional knowledge. Whatever you are observing here related to women, that is indigenous traditional knowledge. Here you can observe indigenous traditional knowledge not only give the food, it also give the livelihood. It has source of different types of economic aspect. You can observe the medicine, food, and money, everything which is related to the forest and indigenous traditional knowledge. Now these are the problems: forest fire, mining, deforestation. So we have to reduce these all things and we have to make our biodiversity rich. If biodiversity will be rich, we will get a rich indigenous traditional knowledge. We can conserve them for future generation. So these are the problem like microbial disease, new lethal diseases, failure of drugs, food scarcity, and only one solution, that is called indigenous traditional knowledge, which is related to our culture, to our health, to our livelihood, and it is associated with our tribal and rural communities. So this is our study area where I did some work like first collection of information, cross-check among the informant, analysis of use values and other statistical aspects. You can observe the result that we found a food, a ecological important, a medicine, a livelihood, and you can observe the two photograph, particularly 23 and 24. Easily you can observe the how indigenous traditional knowledge can mitigate food scarcity, reduce diseases and disorders, and will provide the livelihood. Here you can observe. So during the field work, we discussed a lot about the indigenous traditional knowledge, about the wealth of our forest, how forest is related to our culture, our day-to-day life, and how we can extract knowledge from indigenous traditional knowledge to formulate some new drugs, some new medicine, some derived food, some unexplored food, and we can make our life better. You can observe these are some aspect of forest food, as well as some herbal formulation which have no or less side effect. So this is the importance of indigenous traditional knowledge. You can observe the economic values. I said that it not only provide the medicine and food, it also provide the livelihood, it also provide money for day-to-day need. So I illustrated like forest means communities and biowealth and sustainability. It means indigenous traditional knowledge, which gives food, medicine, good climate, culture, and a balanced ecology. So this is the source of balanced life on Earth. So we have to maintain these things. So thank you very much. And we are very much thankful to the local communities. My team is thankful to local communities and other forest officials. Thank you very much.